Yeah, finally warmed up today, and seeing my last video, I mentioned I was going to fill these in. That's feels fairly set up. Yeah, that's good and set up. It's pretty cool out. Supposed to be above 50 today, like 56 or so, and I kind of like the cooler temperatures so the Bondo doesn't flash set up as fast. And let's see, these here are kind of a concern to me. I'm thinking maybe I should grind them out first, but actually, because I'm going to overlay this, and I'm thinking this part here, I got to measure 37 inches, or yeah, I think that's what that comes in, 37 or 38 inch sideways width, and so that hopefully it'll come from down past over the bar one here and come down into here somewhere. Even if it came down to here, it'd be pretty good. Just so I'm gonna have to, maybe I'll just build it up and make this part of embedded. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, the weather's kind of warmed up a bit. I'm really not going to sand this right now, because that's what I'm not. I'm going to continue on with these other parts. I think I'm going to go ahead and finish that side, and then do this side. And up here on the more towards the bow, I notice that this comes over and out, and this kind of hugs right in here, so I'm going to try to get it so that this feathers out more evenly on both sides, and maybe if I got the time and the Bondo, I'll go ahead and come in and hit some in here. Thicken this up a little bit better. Tie it in here a little better right here. But anyways, I'm going to get busy. I'll save you all the boredom of actually watching me do it. There's lots of people out there that show how to do it and every step, and it's just, I really don't know what I'm doing, really. I'm just kind of playing it by ear as I go along. I've never done this big a project before. It's only a 12-footer, but still. I've done little stuff, but nothing like this. Big of a project. So, and then of course I have sanding to do more, some more sanding. And before, but it's I'm not sure when I'll be moving, but pretty soon here. Anyways, I'm going to get busy, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll show you what I get done here. Thanks. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you like what you see.